Now, we have to talk about rounding of significant digits, and we will construct 4 rules that we have to adhere to when we desire rounding. Now, n is going to denote our desired number of significant figures or digits. First, we have to determine the number of significant figures in our number of interest, and we are going to denote this by the variable x, and we're going to use rules 1 through 5 in section 1.3. For example, 3.141596 has 8 significant digits, so we are going to set x is equal to 8. Now, if x is greater than n, and say our desired number of significant digits is 6, we know this is true. Then we can look at the number to the immediate right of the nth digit. So we'll look at the 7th digit of 3.141596. If said number is greater than 5, or is 5 followed by a non-zero number, we are going to increase the value of our last significant digit by unity. For example, if we want to round 3.141596 to 6 significant figures, we will do the following. We're going to count n is equal to 6. So 3.14159 is our desired number of significant digits. We are going to look at the n plus 1 digit. So we are going to look at the 7th digit of this number, which is a 2. And we see 2 is less than 5. So we are not going to round up. So we'll report our number as 3.14159. This number has 6 significant digits associated. If x is greater than n, we want to look at the number to the immediate right of the nth digit again. And if said number is 5, or 5 followed by 0, there's other method of rounding that can be employed. I suggest you follow the hyperlink. For this course, though, we will take the most basic form of rounding, which is commonly employed throughout most other disciplines. And we are going to round by halfway from 0, or toward infinity, such that we'd round up or down. For example, if we want to round 3.141596 to 5 significant figures, we would do the following. We're going to count out 5 digits, 3.1415, and we're going to look to our right. That's a 9. 9 is greater than 5, so we are going to add unity to our last digit, i.e. we're going to add 1 to 5 to take that last digit to 6. And we'll report our answer as 3.1416. As another example, if we want to round 3.1415926 to 3 significant figures, we're going to count off 3 digits, 3.14, look to our immediate right, and we are going to round down, since 1 is less than 5. So we'll report this as 3.14. If x is less than n, we can't proceed, because we don't have enough digits to specify your desired level of significant digits within your system.